characters that we have in our collection. What is very special about Mona here is this. Most snakes will actually lay eggs to give birth, but instead, Mona here will incubate her eggs inside her body and give birth to live young. That's why she'll actually give birth to live baby snakes. Now Mona here is still very much growing. She has a lot of growing to do. But with that, let's give a huge round of applause to Kai and Fran for helping me take Mona out. Thank you so much. Yeah. There you go, Kai. We'll see you later, alright? Hello there, my friend. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have Koti Mandi's theme as practically every single creature they can possibly find inside the rainforest. You've come one step closer towards understanding them and possibly taking care of them as well. But guys, what if I told you that their wild counterparts out there, they are not doing so well. In fact, they are losing their lives. And they are also losing their homes. And it's because of us men. Us men who create pollution, who destroy their habitats through global warming, deforestation, and of course, fill their lives by poaching as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to show you a small example of what happens during deforestation. I want you guys to have a think. Think on whether you guys want to continue being part of a problem or start being part of a solution. Check this out, guys. What happens during deforestation? It is said that 30 years from now, if we continue doing the things that we do, today, we will lose all the rainforests in the world. And your children and grandchildren will not be able to see and witness the animals that we see today. So understand that despite that we've caused all the problems in the world, together we can find a solution. And together we can bring the rainforest back to life. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining